The battle continued against the Chicago Sting in this, their 7th game. Opposing coaches had begun to fear the Blizzard. There were some weak spots in the team, but slowly, with Eddie filling the gaps with astute recruiting, the club was taking shape.
Well, you know what kind of a dismal start we had. You know, we were 7-0, and I think everybody thought, here we go again. This franchise is not going to last very long, you know? But then we started to turn it around. The team started to knit together. We got some key players in Jimmy Bone and Ivan Lukacevic. From there on, we started rolling.
The arrival of Jim Bone from Scotland added teeth to the Blizzard attack, and the team was getting hungry. Here against Tulsa, with 2 minutes to go, midfielder Drew Busby started the charge with a goal. Lorimer, Bone, Busby, victory. Ivan Lukacevic, the man they call Big Luke, showed his strength in the air and his scoring prowess to the Atlanta Chiefs. 24 minutes into the game, he had 2 goals. Lukacevic provided the missing ingredient in the Toronto attack, both on the ground and in the air, and was the best in the league with his head. Hat trick. Facing Washington, high-flying Big Luke lifted the fans from their seats again. The Blizzard had come together.
You know, we keep doing a lot of good recruiting and we come up with some good players. When you get to 1-7, you start to wonder, maybe our judgment's not good enough, but I'll give Keith credit. We hung in there with the players. Lukacevic came, made a big difference to us, and all of a sudden we ended up on a 50-50 basis or a 500 basis.
2-0, another shutout for the Blizzard. The blitz was on. Toronto fans began to see the skills of the best in the game. Some of the world's finest players are now playing in the North American Soccer League. Stars such as Franz Beckenbauer, Carlos Alberto, Alan Ball, Mourinho, George Best. And here, the man regarded as the most brilliant attacking player in soccer, number 14, Johan Cruyff of the Los Angeles Aztecs, showed his stuff. And Toronto's Peter Lorimer, not to be outdone, demonstrates his brilliance. Lorimer, Lukacevic, Gibbs. More than 20,000 supporters turned out to see non-stop excitement. Jim Bone strikes and scores.